If you would like to modify the properties or check the properties of multiple selected items on your drawing, you can just easily select them, and instead of jumping into the properties dialog, you will always have a quick list of the most important settings, and you can not only see those settings, but you can also change them. If you select one item, you will see the properties of one single item. Now let me just zoom into this drawing, and if you click and add the new item to the selection, you can actually modify both of these items. Should I select 3 or more additional walls, I will see the number counting up. Now I have selected 2 walls, so now I can actually see and edit the properties of these 2 walls. Let's see how that goes. Let me just change the total thickness here. This is 100, so I'm changing this to 150. And just as I did that change, the software automatically changed the drawing based on those new settings. It's very important that you can also do the same thing with any sort of other items. So whenever you select, for example, a dimension, an annotation, a group, or a text, you will always see the properties of that selected item or those selected items. Now, if you select similar type of items, you will have a longer list of those item properties than when you select, for example, 2 different type of items. Let me just select this slab here and let me add this partition wall into the selection. In this case, I can see only a very short list of common properties because there is not so much common in between those 2 types of items, but I can change whether they are falling onto the same layer, they are having similar colors, line types, and so on, and I can also move or copy them between different floors of my drawing. So if you select an item and you just use this quick property list, you will have a shorter list than what you would see in the properties dialog, but this is also allowing you to select multiple items and check and modify their properties in one single go.